I'm going back to a painting I started in 2020, maybe 2019. This is Pele, the goddess of fire and volcanoes, the Hawaiian Islands. She is calling me now to finish her. So I just spent about 2 hours on her, and she's starting to come into her full fire. I'm probably a third of the way done right now. She's looking quite beautiful. So she's calling to everyone to be a force and protect the earth. She is love. She is aloha. She is fire. She will be looking for a home, aloha home, when she is done. So I will keep you all posted on my progress as she comes to full fire. Aloha.